Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. However, if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, going to try to pick up a call here at 1450. And I missed it. Came down, didn't quite get where it needed to be, so I'll cancel that out. I am playing options right now. I trade both stocks and options for those of you that are maybe new to the channel. Right now we're looking at options here on SPY. But like I said, tried to pick up a call there because I thought it would go back up. And it is going back up. I just didn't quite get filled. So on that one, never mind. I'll pause and I'll look for another setup. All right, going to try to pick up a put here at 920. All right, that's not. Looking more over at the 5-minute time frame. What we're looking at here is a 1 minute. So I'm going to go ahead and get more greedy in the sense of looking for an even better entry point, but the greed in the sense of I may never even get the trade. I may never get filled, but if that's the case, and so be it. So, all right, I'll go ahead and pause for now. All right, going to try to pick up a put here at 1050. Okay, got that. Trying to take advantage of this little back test here that I don't necessarily believe in from the bullish side. So I have a put, meaning I want to see the prices come down. And out there for just a quick $50 scalp. I'd like to see this thing pull back more, and then I'd be interested in going long. But like I said, just wanted to get my feet wet, take a quick little scalp there. So quick little $50 bill. So I will pause. And like I said, if this thing wants to come back down or if it wants to keep moving up, then I'd be interested in another put. But like I said, the goal there was just a quick little scalp. Got it. No big deal. So I'll pause and let's see what happens next. Okay, I have an order at 720. Oh, I was on best bid. There we go. I'm in. Getting in at 720. And out there for the nice $250 scalp. Patience pays. And it's 10:03. And I say that just because for you longer time viewers to build context, I do what's done called the be done in 30 approach, meaning on average, I like to be done after right around 30 minutes. So today, slightly above average, 10:03 out. Well, you know what? I don't need to be done. I can potentially make another trade here. If this thing wants to drop some more, then it's worth for me sitting around another 5 minutes if I can get another setup. So I will risk 5 minutes to potentially make another $250 or so. Because either way, I'm just fine. So like I was saying, usually like to be done after 30 minutes. Some days it's a little less, some days a little more, given, like I said, on average. But I do this being trading, online day trading, whatever you want to call it, because I have many streams of income. So for me, I do it as the freedom of time. Am I going to be able to go buy a private jet with $300? I'm not, but that's not my goal. If you are in this because you want that private jet, then cool. I hope you get it. I really do. But for me, at my stage in life, I have 5 kids. My wife is pregnant for number 6. So in other words, I work from home. I want to have the freedom of time. And if I can put $300 in my pocket after a little more than 30 minutes and 33 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and take that. I mean, that basically breaks down to $100 every 10 minutes. I'm not sure of many places in the world where you can make $100 every 10 minutes. In fact, it's kind of a crazy thing when you stop and think about it. So yeah, I am very happy with that. And like I said, I'm going to risk another 5 minutes here just to see if this thing wants to come down, and I'd be potentially interested again. But like I said, I'll go ahead and pause for now, well, as it continues to head back up. Well, no, just in case this thing rolls all the way back over. So I'll pause, and like I said, I'll risk another 5 minutes. Okay, this thing is putzing around too much now, so I am going to go ahead and call it good. So like I said, right around $100 every 10 minutes for $300, and like I said, approximately the 30-minute time frame, and I'm going to build context there. Crazy. And I say that as, I mean, just think about your results. Little trick. I understand. I'm the same way. I look around social media, and I see some huge numbers, and it can make me think, well, geez, you're not doing very well, or geez, what's wrong with your strategy? What's wrong with your approach? And it's like, wait a second. Would I ever go up to somebody that makes, let's just call it $50 an hour. Let's say I go up to somebody that makes $50 an hour and say, you know, I just made $100 every 10 minutes. I'm not very happy about it. Would I ever do that? Of course not. That would make me sound like the biggest greedy, savage, most detached person ever. So don't let those social media results throw you off as a trader. Think about things from that angle. Would you ever go up to somebody making minimum wage or whatever price you want to say, $50 an hour, even $100 an hour? Would I ever go up to somebody that makes $100 an hour and say, yeah, I made $100 every 10 minutes and I'm not very happy about it? Again, that would just make that person look at you like you're the most detached person ever. So always keep in mind, build perspective, because when you have that perspective, it's going to keep you grateful for your results, and it's going to help keep you away from going out there and doing something stupid that ends up, turning into a much bigger loss than what you should have ever taken. So like I said, I'm going to move on with the day. So yeah, sometimes it just some days are a little bit more difficult than other. This one just took 2 quick trades, worked out just fine, and within the 30 minutes got the $300. So I am happy with that. I'm going to move on with my day. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.